Yeah, this is my brethren's phone shop. Yeah man, he sell phone cases, phone and them something there. Him also repair it too. Yeah man, he repair phone and them something there too. Laptop, anything in appliances still. Why you repair printer?
Basically everything electronics, but mostly focused on small appliances,
Okay.
cell phone, tablets. Me fix television, but it's more like it's a team deal fix.
Flat screen and them something.
Yeah.
And I know big back thing again. Now no space for them something there. Anyway, I best you know. I mean it's exaggerate and them something there. I best. Trust me. You want your phone for repair your tablets and them stuff there. Right clock. Right side of total gas station and watch your ass. Yeah man, in front of the blue building. Yeah. I best man. Anyway, you hear about printer. Yeah man, German written otherwise. Yeah. See man there? Yeah man. Yeah man, anything man, any phone I will for people I recommend to him. And he's an electronics man. And for you hear me recommend this man, you must know. Yeah man. So no check in, you know. Check in on him store and check what him have and so. And him reasonable. Yeah man. Bless up yourself, electronics man.
Yeah, bless up, bless up,
Bless up.
bless up, bless up.
Yeah.